Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Spotify is updated and your device is ready. Open settings on your phone, not Spotify, because the app follows the system theme. On Android or iPhone, switch the system theme to Light now. Once done, quit Spotify fully and relaunch it so the app reads the new theme. This is the first actionable move. You are forcing Spotify to inherit a light appearance by changing the device-level preference. Once you flip the device appearance to light, make sure Spotify restarts and picks it up. Force close the app so it rereads system preferences. On Android, use app info right arrow force stop. On iPhone, swipe it away. Then open Spotify and scan main screens, library, and now playing to verify the lighter UI. If Spotify offers an in-app app theme toggle, set it to system so it follows the light setting. This step ensures the change. To finalize, reboot your device if Spotify stubbornly remains dark. A restart clears lingering state. If that fails, clear Spotify's cache or reinstall the app so fresh settings are loaded. Make sure you change the correct system theme. Some Android skins use separate display settings for dark schedules. And if you use the desktop app, you may need to switch your computer's theme as well. Troubleshooting tip: when nothing works, reinstalling usually forces the app to adopt the current system appearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.